Today, once again, Maqbool Islam is in front of you. We have discussed to construct the confidence interval for the population proportion. So, how to construct the population proportion? How to construct the confidence interval for population proportion. It is denoted by small p. So first of all, we write the curve, making the curve. This is alpha by 2 minus alpha by 2 this side, z minus alpha by 2 and z alpha by 2 positive side. This is negative side and 1 minus alpha. The whole area of this is called confidence coefficient. So according to the probability, to construct the probability minus z alpha by 2 less than or equal to z less than or equal to z alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is called confidence coefficient. Now according to the formula for the proportion, z calculated value of zc as p hat minus p divided by p hat q hat divided by n under root. Fn is greater than or equal to 30. So in the place of z, we put the value of z alpha by 2 less than or equal to p hat minus p divided by p hat q hat divided by n under root less than or equal to z alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now we are the denominator term try to finish. So we are multiplying within the brackets from the left side into the right side of the interval is multiply this term. So probability of minus z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root less than or equal to p hat minus p. If we multiply this term, so both are cancelled here. So z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now we are required the population proportion construction. So here we try to finish p hat. This is the sample proportion. We try to finish. Here is plus. So we subtract minus p from each side within the brackets. So we are subtracting p hat minus z alpha by 2 p hat q hat divided by n under root less than or equal to, here both are cancelled, minus p hat plus p hat. So we are required p less than or equal to minus p hat plus z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now we are multiplying minus 1 within the brackets because we are required positive population proportion, but here we get negative sign, so we are multiplying minus 1 within the brackets. Probability of minus minus plus p hat, this is also plus z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root. So if we are multiply, the inequality symbol are also change. Minus 1 p greater than or equal to minus, this is positive p hat minus z alpha by 2 P hat and Q hat divided by n under root is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now here is this is lower limit and this is upper limit, and here inequalities we are changing here. So we rearrange the term. Rearrange the terms. So now we are arranging the terms. So this result are changed here to the lower limit. Probability of minus p hat minus z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root less than or equal to. So this will be changing, and here p less than or equal to, and here we get positive p hat plus z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root is equal to 1 minus alpha. This is the confidence interval. This is called lower limit. Lower limit of confidence interval. This is called upper limit. And we can write the above confidence interval p hat plus minus z alpha by 2 p hat and q hat divided by n under root. Here p hat is equal to 1 minus q hat. This is called construction of confidence interval for the population proportion. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.